My name is Tamar Markham. I'm the CEO of Almondina Cookies. My parents started the company 30 plus years ago, and it's based off my great-grandmother's recipe of a thin biscotti. Almondina got its name from almond, which is the #1 ingredient in the product, and then my great-grandmother, her name was Dina, so we put it together, Almondina. I contacted Kellerman because we had a really good program in place, but it was very disjointed, and I didn't like sitting down with the auditor and having to flip through multiple books to figure out what was needed. So I really wanted to streamline our process and confirm that the programs that we had in place were actually the right ones. The benefits of an SQF certification are huge. When we first started looking into this process, I guess it was about 10 years ago, not every retailer required it, but at this point, everyone does. So if you don't get the recertification, you can't even get in the front door to sell. So it's super important to have it. The consultant that I used, Jamie, she was incredible. She came up the first time that we actually met. We sat down and she kind of explained the whole process and how they do everything at Kellerman. Gave me some homework to do, and then came back couple weeks to a month later, because again, we weren't starting from the beginning. We were just really streamlining our process, and I actually had the auditor that came to audit us ask if they could use some of the programs because they thought they were so cool. Like I said, I'm the CEO here, but I had so much fun doing everything. I actually asked them if I could have a job on the side. They are so professional, and it was just a real pleasure working through everything. So I would absolutely recommend Kellerman Consulting. I already have. When people call to kind of ask me about the process and everything, I would not hesitate to say definitely call Kellerman.